In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite login failed on the PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present easy to follow steps to help you address any issues attributed to Fortnite not working on your PlayStation 4. Before you go ahead and you follow all of these steps, what I would recommend is that you look for the Epic Games server status on Google. As you can see, you will be able to find this website. This page, known as the Epic Games servers status, is going to tell you which servers are operational and which servers are down. If you notice that the Fortnite servers are down or not operational, what this means is that no one is going to be able to log into the game. You simply have to wait until Epic Games fixes the servers, and as long as the maintenance is done and the servers are operational again, then you will be able to sign into the game. The reason why I recommend that you do this first is if you notice the servers are not operational, then there is nothing that you can do on your end. You simply have to wait. Now, if you go to this page and if you notice that the servers are operational, your friends are able to log in, and you are the only one who gets the login failed message, then there are some steps to fix issues attributed to your installation of the game. First, go over to your library, find Fortnite, choose the game, go into the options menu, and select the option to check for updates. Checking for updates is going to be the most straightforward way of ensuring that you will be able to log into the game. If you have pending updates and you are not running the latest version of the game like everyone else, then you will be unable to sign into the Epic servers. By checking for updates, downloading the latest version of the game, you will then be allowed in and you can play right away. Now, if you checked for updates, you updated the game and it still doesn't work, or if you didn't have any pending updates but it's still not allowing you to log into your account, then the last thing that I would recommend is to completely reinstall the game. This is going to take a while, but by doing this you are going to ensure that your installation of the game is clean and no files were missing or corrupted during their installation and updates. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite login failed on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.